Erikylah.
Hi, my name is
I've been thinking about it.
And today we're going to be showing our squishies.
Yeah.
I mean tonight.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Nice and full.
You go first.
I don't want this to be full.
We're going to show you your ice cream.
It's not good. I should have just.
So we have this,
Listen to me. Okay. Hey.
my ice cream needle.
Freeze here. No. Look at me. Okay.
Kyrie, Saechao. This is my gummy bear. Roller. This is my gummy bear. This is my other needle. I have 3 needles. I think. Yeah, 3 needles. I think there's cream in it. This is my squishy that I really hate. This is my clicky that I really love. This is my stitchy.
If you're gone from our lives, it's like
I just pop it. Look at
it's just
this.
not possible.
Helicopter. This person's name is called Stretchy because it's really stretchy. Ooh.
Oh, shut up.
This little honky on.
You know why that
I like it inside. Those are oldies inside, right? And these are my tabas.
You're not the one causing problems. You're keeping us alive. It's all because of you that I'm here.
You can just pop it.